right, I'm your coach. I do. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, go. Yeah. Go.
What's going on here? Where's the announcer?
Okay, now you gotta be the announcer.
And here is the battle of the Greek. Here's AJ Dolph. And the battle of Ken. Brian Dolph. Ready? Mm-hmm. Ready?
Yep.
Now let's go!
Get him, get him. Take him down, take him down, take him down, take him down. Get off your back. Yeah, yeah. Don't hit me in this. AJ Dolph in the lead. AJ Dolph in the lead.
Two. Ah.
Dude, that's what it's doing. Did you just slap like that? Did you just slap my kid like that? Did you? Woo! And the winner is Ortega James. Oh! We've got a soldier down. Soldier down. Possible Purple Heart.
I think my nose might be bleeding.
Are you serious? I hope it is. That would be so great.
No, it's not. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. I'm okay.
You're a good sport, AJ.
Oh. Thank God you right in the nose. That was a good punch.
Hilarious.
You win. Good
I was
job.
like,
Yeah, I know, that hurts.
I was like,
wait. I want to see what you look like.
you said I was like,
You got me ready to
And
split in the nose.
there's another battle coming up.
No, I'm done.
No one else is
I'm
fighting. Your
done.
dad's done.
Dang.
Yeah, I'm done.
Aw.
You're too good. Everyone's scared of you.
Oh, man. Good job.